Hi students, today I am discussing about the preparation of phenols. In that, first one method is from haloarenes. One example, this is nothing but Dow's process. What is the name of this process? Dow's process. Here, chlorobenzene I am taking here, haloarene. This is one halogen, that is chlorine, this is double benzene. This is chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene treated with the NaOH at nearly 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere pressure. Then we will get here phenol. This is called phenol. And along with this NaCl also as a byproduct. Keep in mind, actually this carbon is sp2 carbon. That's why this bond breaking is difficult. This nucleophile Na plus OH minus, this nucleophile attacking at this position is difficult because it is not good leaving group at this position because it is partial double bond character. Because here lone pair present at chlorine, it may undergo resonance. That's why bond breaking is difficult. That's why at higher temperature and higher pressure only this reaction will takes place. If electron withdrawing group at orthopara position increases, that time nucleophilic substitution will be easier than normal. So here given the drastic condition, then only this reaction will takes place. This is one of the method. Competitive exam purpose, this is the most important. And because 1, 2, 3, 4 like this haloarenes they may give. In that ortho position 1 nitro group, next another one is orthopara 1 nitro group, another orthopara, and this is another ortho. It means 2, 4, 6 nitro group. If increases 1, 1, 1 nitro group increase means that nucleophilic substitution reaction easily gets and temperature and pressure will be reduced because that time drastic condition is not required. When without any electron withdrawing, that time only this higher temperature and pressure is required. Next one, from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Generally, how to get the benzene sulfonic acid? Benzene first treated with the oleum. Oleum in what? The H2S2O7. This is called oleum. This will be get benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid treated with the NaOH, then it form sodium phenoxide as a byproduct. Here Na2SO3 will be eliminated. Next, this will be on acidification. Here also first we will get the same, I wrote direct reaction here, but here also we can, if you want, here also we get the sodium phenoxide first, later acidification with HCl or dilute acids, then we will get here phenol. Okay, this is called phenol. And here also on acidification we will get here phenol. Okay, this is the second method. Next, third one method is from diazonium salts. From diazonium salt, this is very important. This is comes in all maximum chapters, in haloalkanes also, and in alcohol phenol also, and in amine chapter also, because this diazonium salts are useful in the preparation of many other compounds because that N2 group is easily leaving group. Next, now I am preparing this is diazonium salt. Third one is from diazonium salts. Benzene on treating with the concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4. Then we will get here nitrobenzene at less than 60 degrees Celsius. This nitrobenzene, on treating with the any reducing agents, for example SN, HCl or ZnHCl, then it will be converted into amine, that is aniline. So in our book from here onwards it is given. So then some basics also I given now here. So this aniline, on treating with the NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, this is 273, this is 278 in Kelvin. You can write in degrees Celsius or in Kelvin. At lower temperature, then we will get the diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus. Instead of this, sometimes they may give HNO2 also. That's why anyone may be give in examination, you have to remember it gives the diazonium chloride. This diazonium chloride, just heating with the water or warm with the water, we will get, that is phenol plus N2 will be liberated. So these are phenol preparation. This is just for understanding purpose I given. This is not there in our textbook. So this is onwards from aniline to diazonium chloride to phenol. After this, the very important, that is the fourth method, from cumene. So what is a cumene? First we should know what is a cumene. Cumene is nothing but isopropyl benzene. That is called isopropyl benzene. Already in the last class I told you that CH3, CH bond, CH3. This group is called, what is that? Iso. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. Then pro. One hydrogen is less, that's why I. Isopropyl. This isopropyl, this benzene. Isopropyl benzene, also known as, what is that? Cumene. Isopropyl benzene. This is known as cumene. How to prepare this is, for example, take benzene. This benzene react with the CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. In presence of AlCl3 Lewis acid, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, then we will get here, after rearrangement of this carbocation, we will get isopropyl benzene. Along with this, HCl will be formed. Otherwise, you can take that instead of this propyl chloride, N-propyl chloride, you can take the CH3, CH double bond, CH2, propene. Then also we will get which one? Isopropyl benzene. So in our textbook this is not there, but how to get the isopropyl benzene also I am giving here. So next one, from isopropyl benzene, how we will prepare the phenol. Isopropyl benzene react with the oxygen or in presence of air, then it gives a hydroperoxide. That hydroperoxide later rearrangement gives phenol and acetone. So first I will write the preparation. In this preparation, we know what is the isopropyl benzene or cumene. This is isopropyl benzene. If you want in the form of this one, CH3, CH, CH3, this is benzene, like this also. Okay, this is treated with the oxygen and then it converted into hydroperoxide complex. In this hydroperoxide complex, here hydrogen will convert like this, OOH. This is peroxide bond. In between oxygen single bond, that is called peroxide. That's why this is called hydroperoxide. And this will be CH3, this will be another CH3. Okay. For understanding purpose, I will represent this is with the separate ink, black color. Okay. Now on dilute acid hydrolysis, then it will be converted into one is phenol. 1 minute, I will represent with this. Whatever the colors are there, that color will I will represent. This will be as it is blue color, and this will be OH, and remaining part CH3, CH3. This will be converted into double bond O. So this is called phenol. This is called acetone. This is also in the large amount it form along with the phenol as a byproduct. Sometimes in the competitive exam they may ask isopropyl benzene react with the oxygen. It gives A and B. What is the B? B is the acetone, A is the phenol. Or sometimes this is maybe A, this is maybe B. Depends upon their question. We can understand which is the A, which is the B. Keep in mind the most important question for board exam also and competitive exam. Preparation of phenol from cumin is most important. One time, not from this, but one question is asked in the 2000 maybe 16, I hope. Then in that benzene treated with this cyclohexene and in presence of AlCl3, then it is formed like this. These two are in coplanar. Coplanar in what is that? In same plane. This question is asked in the competitive exam. Most important question in 2016 only. In NEET exam this is asked. In this can be written as AlCl3, but that time question may be given that is HF at 0 degree Celsius. This hydrofluoric acid. So this question asked in the 2016, very important, because we are thinking this which type of reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction this is. In that they given already product. So 4 options are given. In that which of the following are in coplanar? This compound is in coplanar, remaining options are not in plane. So like this also they will ask. Now we will discuss about the physical properties of this alcohols and phenol. So now I completed which one? Alcohol preparations and phenol preparations. In that now properties. In that properties, first one is physical property we will discuss, later we will discuss the chemical properties. So in physical properties, the first one, physical properties. Generally lower member alcohols are in liquid and they having less viscosity. Less viscosity means easily they can flow. One of the example we know that ethyl alcohol. Now their boiling point, if you discuss boiling point, in the boiling point their molecular weight increases or carbon chain length increases, boiling point increases because molecular weight increases, then van der Waals forces also increases. This is one, carbon chain length increases, boiling point increases. Next one, hydrogen bond formation. Hydrogen bond formation increases, boiling point increases. Next, third one, branches increases, boiling point decreases due to the spherical shape, less surface area, boiling point will be decreased. First we will discuss about the one example, CH3OH, CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2CH2OH. If you take these 3 example, from here to here molecular weight increase and chain length also increase. Chain length increase means surface area increase. Therefore boiling point from methyl alcohol to propyl alcohol increases. Boiling point increases. is the first one restricted. Second one restricted hydrogen bond formation. First we will discuss about the hydrogen bond formation. If you take this is alcohol and this is another alcohol, and in between this is hydrogen bond form. First we should know what is hydrogen bond. The hydrogen bond formed between the hydrogen and more electronegative atom like that is oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. These will form hydrogen bond. Sometimes rarely form chlorine also form hydrogen bond. So like this hydrogen bond form. So if hydrogen bond form mean what is that? Two molecules now. These two molecules mean together mean when they are together to break this bond required energy is more, that's why boiling point will be increased. Therefore primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols hydrogen bond formation order is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. That's why boiling point order also primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. If you take the example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, butanol. This is called like this, secondary alcohol. How many are 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. If they ask boiling point order, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, consider mean 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. Because of hydrogen bond formation is more in primary than the secondary than the tertiary. Because when side groups are increased, this is hindered to formation of hydrogen bond. If you consider one more example, CH3OH, CH3, CH2OH, and another is CH3, CH2, CH2OH, and next CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This is butanol. Next CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3, 2-butanol. And next CH3, CH2, CH2, this is pentanol. Like this given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write their boiling point order. Then first one is lower, increasing order I am writing here. Increasing order. I will write this one symbol. Increasing order of boiling point. Increasing order of boiling point is lower is which one? All together we have to consider in the boiling point lower molecular weight. Then it is first 1. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 2. Next 3. Now 4 and 5 having same molecular weight. When having same molecular weight, then we have to consider branch. Branch increases, boiling point decreases. That's why here 5, then 4. Now 6th one. So this is also one of the good example to understand. And next one, comparing with the other components. For example, ether, halo, alkene, haloarenes and hydrocarbon. Those are having same molecular weight or near molecular weight. Then only it is comparison is easy. Those are having a higher molecular weight and comparing or lower molecular weight comparing is difficult. So I am comparing with those are having similar molecular weight or nearly equal molecular weight. If you consider that compound boiling point, this is ethyl alcohol, CH2OH. Another one is CH3, CH2, CH3, propane. Another one is CH3, CH2. Other one you consider OCH3. Its molecular weight is 46. Its molecular weight also 46 because these two are functional isomer. Its molecular weight carbon 3 means that is 36, 36, 5, 41 and 41 plus 3 that is 44. This is the molecular weight of this propane and methoxy methane or dimethyl ether. Its name, this is ethyl alcohol. And if you consider 1, 2, 3, then what is the boiling point order? boiling point order is 1 because it form hydrogen bond. It do not form, but it having a dipole-dipole interaction. Here only van der Waal interaction. Here compare with this van der Waal interaction, this dipole-dipole interaction is somewhat greater. That's why this is third greater than second. If you compare with the haloalkanes also, now we'll take one example or generalize CH3COOH, CH3CH2OH, and next CH3CH CHO, and next CH3CO CH3 and CH2 CH3 CH2 CH3. This is a direct boiling point order only, because if you want to consider this is form in dimeric form will be there, two hydrogen bond will form, so its hydrogen bonds stronger than this one, so it is more boiling point, is less. This is order. So this is also you have to remember for competitive exam, because in competitive exam one chapter will not ask, they will combine the linking with chapter to chapter and they will ask the question, because in JEE means whenever it is having a very less number of questions. That's why always we have to think about the how to link the question from one chapter to another chapter. Someday it may be linking with the physical chemistry also, inorganic chemistry also, wherever it is related. Next one, if you consider the what you call aromatic, this is aliphatic. So we know the orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. In that, which is having the higher boiling point. Consider orthonitrophenol having which type of hydrogen bonding? Both having the hydrogen bonding, but orthonitrophenol having the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is OH N double bond O like this. Ortho position. This is with respect to OH. This is ortho position NO2. Then here in between this is hydrogen bond exists. This is called intramolecular hydrogen bond. This is in orthonitrophenol. If you take paranitrophenol means what is that? This is a paranitrophenol. This can be formed hydrogen bond with this molecule. Then it will be exist as a two molecule together. So to breaking this bond somewhat difficult than this bond here, angle strain will be there. Therefore, paranitrophenol boiling point is greater than the orthonitrophenol. So always it is not dependent upon the hydrogen bond. Sometimes it is van der Waals force, dipole forces, and branching. All together we have to give the answer which is having the higher boiling point, which is having the lower boiling point. Next one, solubility. Solubility. Generally, lower member alcohols are soluble in water in all proportion. Lower member alcohols are soluble in water in all proportion. Higher member alcohol, it means hydrophobic part. Carbon chain increases, their solubility will be increased, because hydrophobic part, that is alkyl groups, increases, their hydrophobic part increase and solubility will be decreased. Similarly, this benzene ring also increases, their solubility will be decreases. Next, other than this, I hope boiling point, solubility are very important in the physical properties. So physical property part also maximum completed. Keep in mind boiling points and solubility, because in solubility also not related to only one chapter, they may combine with the other chapter molecule also. Which of the following is more soluble based on their hydrogen bonding, based on their polar nature, and boiling point also sometimes depends upon the polar nature. Everything is considered in a group of molecule which is more soluble, which is less soluble. Boiling point mean keep in mind already given 3. Another is polar nature, and solubility mean also it depends upon the polar nature. And hydrophobic part increase mean less soluble, hydrophobic part decrease mean that is more soluble. Hydrogen bond increase also, that is more soluble. Hydrogen bond is one of the responsible for the solubility. Thank you very much.